Hello, boys. Welcome back to online classes. Today's chapter is North America, and in this session, we will know about the introduction, a short introduction of North America. Okay, so North America is the third largest continent after Asia and Africa. The continent occupies an area of more than 19 million square kilometer. It includes the second and the fourth largest country of the world, that is Canada and United States of America. North America includes Canada, USA, Mexico, and the 7 countries of Central America. Central America forms a land bridge between Mexico and South America. First, we will talk about the latitude. It lies between 7° north and 84° north latitudes. The continent is broad in the north and tapering towards the south. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Mexico and the Arctic Circle through the northern part of Canada. The continent lies entirely in the northern hemisphere in the north temperate zone. Longitude. North America extends between 53° west and 180° west longitude. It lies entirely in the western hemisphere. North America has a great longitudinal extent which result in the 5-time zone. Do you know what is a time zone? A time zone is a region of the globe that observes a standard time for legal, commercial and social purpose. Time zones generally follow boundaries of countries and the subdivision because it is convenient to keep the same time within a country or a state. Now, boundaries. North America is almost surrounded by ocean except in the south, where it is joined to be South America by the Isthmus of Panama. The Pacific Ocean lies towards the west, the Atlantic to the east, and the Arctic border in the north. In the west side, the Bering Strait separates the North America from Asia. Now, coastline. North America has a smooth coastline as compared to other continents, especially Europe. However, it has many wide openings along its coastline, which allow the influence of the ocean further into the continent. Some of the important bays and gulfs are the Gulf of Mexico, Hudson Bay, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the Gulf of California. The northern west coast is very irregular and has a number of small islands of it. Next is islands. There are many islands in the Arctic Ocean lying to the north to the continent. Of these, Greenland is the largest. Some of the other islands are the Baffin Island, Victoria Island and the Ellesmere Island, which belongs to the Canada. The island of Newfoundland lies off the east coast of Canada. The islands of the West Indies form a chain of small islands in the Caribbean. And a group of islands is also known as West Indies. It's included in this continents. So there are many cold and barren islands lying in the Arctic Ocean. Greenland is the largest island of the continent. So this was today's topic. Tomorrow we will read about the physical features of North America. We divide North America into the 4 physical features. West is the Western Cordilleras, the Appalachian Mountains and the Central Plains, and the last is Canadian Shield. So next topic will be the Western Cordilleras. Thank you, boys.